Guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and we're running this video in a short form for you to be able to help some of these people that are in North Carolina, Asheville, Florida, Georgia, Virginia that suffered from the storms. There's nothing more important than pure water, and these systems will take care of that. Please help out where you can. Thank you.
Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Busca en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
All right, this system right here is off the charts. I cannot believe it. It's one of those things that you buy and you're wondering if it's going to work. This works better than I ever thought it would. The filter in it will do 5,000 gallons of water. How many 16.9 ounce bottles of water? Like 25,000? And the filter's cheap compared to that. All right, we took this into our motorhome, set it up in there, and we really ran it through the test. What you put in up here, in this thing, comes down here, because this is where the filter's at. So if you're going to transport this, you can do it. You can take it anywhere you want to take it. You get this, the stand here is something you'll find in the tools list as well. They're not paying me to share this, just so you know. They're not paying Mr. Know-It-All to share this. I have always realized in my life that I need to drink more water. If you want to feel good, you got to drink water. Well, the problem is most of the water out there is not good.
How many chemicals does it eliminate?
Like 200 different chemicals it takes out. Thank you, Consuelo. It's so simple. What you put in, what you take out, just match it up. So if I'm going to take out and fill up this bottle with water down here, I just dump in the same amount. Okay, now I come down here and you get up close to that. Let's turn these lights on. All right, so watch this. Watch how fast it fills it. Okay, now there's one full bottle right there. If you take it out, you put that amount in, and it keeps up. We don't have to recycle the bottles anymore. No matter what water we put in this could be pool water. Say that the water got shut off here. We could put pool water in here. It would come out pure to drink. Mr. Know-It-All, out.